Hi guys, at my daughter's house she's decided she wants to install this security system. 4 cameras and a base station from the looks of it. I know absolutely nothing about it at all. I've just opened the boxes in as much as I've taken the outer sleeves off, so I haven't even looked in here yet. I don't think I can do it with one hand. Oh, maybe I can. Okay. No idea what that is, so we'll sit down and look at that in a minute. Bit of foam padding. So, these are the cameras. On the outside it says 180-day battery life. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do this all with one hand. But that would appear to be the base station. I must say, I thought she'd actually opened it and read the instructions by now, but she hasn't. She's had this for... Oh, I just pressed the on button and the lights flashed. She's had this for quite a while. Oh dear. I always laugh when I watch people doing one-handed unboxings and say, why don't you get a tripod? I have got the tripod in the car. So I just rather thought she'd already done all this, and all I was coming to do was fit the brackets on the wall. So it's clearly a power unit. That's a UK adapter. That's a Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi, LAN cable. Some screws. One, two. So we got 3 of them and 4 screws. Got any more? Oh yes, there's more. There's more. More screws. I guess that one's going to be a USB cable. Yep, USB. It's a micro. Right, so that's that box unboxed. Okay, I'll have a look in there. And that's enough screws to screw them to the wall. Alright, back in a minute. I'll put them on charge while I'm doing everything else. Steady blue light indicates charging. When that goes out, it's fully charged. Right, I've put all 4 cameras on charge. It does say up to 5 hours. I was looking at the mounting bracket, or what you want to call it. I quite like this. So that's our 2 screw holes, and then those 2 holes are for that bit, which is the back end of the gimbal, or what you want to call that. So as you tighten that up, or do that up, that tightens that, so you can adjust it to position and lock it. So, as I said, all I'd expected to be doing today was drilling some holes to mount these round the outside of the house. I had thought that she'd actually had a look at it and got herself all sorted out. That's the LAN connection to go into your router. That USB port there is for actually charging the charging the cameras. And then that's the power supply. So I don't know where she wants to put all that, and she's gone out at the moment. So I really can't go any further, because I don't know where she'll want to fit the cameras around the house. Okay, that's in position. Yes, can't go very much further at the moment. That little peg there is for resetting. Oh yeah, in there if required. And that's the setup guide. I don't even know if she's downloaded the app yet. Probably not. I wonder if this only works with Apple. I'll see if I can download the app on my Android phone. It does say we can get it on Google Play Store. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.